Good morning, children. This is Shobal sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with chapter simple equation and we are over with the exercise 4.1. So, children, here in this video, we are going to discuss about exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2, question number 2. Question number 1, I have already explained in the previous video. So, we are going to start from question number 2. Give the first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equations. Children, we are going to deal with equation. Okay. So the first question is 3L is equal to 42. Children, there are so many ways to solve such equations. I am going to teach you the easiest one. Children, the very first thing that we will check, what is in the LHS and what is in the RHS. In LHS, it is 3 into L equal to 42. As there is no sign in between, 3 and L means they are multiplied with each other. Okay. So what am I going to take over here? I'm going to leave L in the left hand side only, and the number 3 will be transposed to the right hand side. Okay. Means what we have to do, we have to make the numbers free from the variable. So as 3 and L are attached, they are under an operation multiplication. So I'm gonna remove this 3 from left hand side to the right hand side. So children, 3 into L, so L is equal to 42 will be written as it is in the right hand side. 3 was multiplied, so the moment I'm just transposing it to the right hand side, it will be divided. Okay, so 42 divided by 3, if I cancel them out, I'll get 14. 3 14s are 42. So children, finally the value of L is 14. I believe it's clear, as there is no doubts. Let us try the next question, children. Question number B of number 2. Number B is about B by 2 is equal to 6. Children, in right hand side, as we can see, it's 6. It is actually 6 by 1. As there is no denominator, means there is existence of 1. Now what we will do, children, we will go for a cross multiplication. We will go for a cross multiplication. So B into 1 is B and 6 into 2 is 12. Children, whenever we will see such formats of equations, always remember what we need to do. We need to multiply cross multiplications will be performed. So B into 1 resulting B, or 1B, 1 has got no value, and 6 2s are 12. So finally B is equal to 12. Let us try the next one, number C. Number C is P by 7 is equal to 4. Okay. So children, how to solve it? Very simple. It is actually 4 by 1. So cross multiplications to be performed. P into 1 is P is equal to 4 7s are 28. There is nothing, children. There is no rocket science. It is a very simple thing. Simply the value of the variable to be calculated. So P is equal to 28. That's all. So I would rather prefer to go for question number H, which is slightly different from this question. So let us deal with question number H. Children, what is this H is all about? 20t is equal to minus 10. Now you might be thinking it's so difficult to solve. Not at all. Children, the relation between 20 and t is multiplication. That is to be identified first. The relation between 20 and t is multiplied. So just take t, leave t, write minus 10 in the right hand side, and 20 to be transposed to the right hand side. Okay. So as 20 is multiplied with the variable t, so it's going to be divided after transposing towards the right hand side. So it would become division. So 10 2s are 20, 1 is in the numerator. My final answer is minus 1 by 2. So children, the value of t is equal to minus 1 by Okay, children, we can discuss about question number 3. Number 3 is just similar to question number 2 only. Question number 3, let me show one sum from here. 3n minus 2 equal to 46. Children, as we all know that we always remove the variable like numbers from the variable. Okay, we make always variable free from the numerical values. So let this 3n be as it is, and in the right hand side we had 46, and this minus 2 will be transposed to the right hand side. That would become plus 2. The moment we will just transpose minus 2 in the right hand side, that will turn into plus 2, because we know that during transposition operation changes or symbol changes. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. So children, 3n is equal to 46 plus 2 is 48. Very simple. Now again I'll just leave n, and this 3 will be transposed to the right hand side as it is multiplied with n, so it is going to be 48 by 3. Okay children, it will be divided. Now 3 will be cancelled with 48, it will be 16. So the final value of n is equal to 16, because 3 16s are 48. So children, this is how we have to deal with this kind of questions. I want you to practice question number B, C, D your own. If you get difficulties, if you get problems to solve, feel free to speak to me. I will surely explain in the live class. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.